Okay, hi everybody, my name is Jay. I'm going to show you how to connect Fxchoice with Myfxbook. Okay, so if you want to show your portfolio or how your account is doing, you can just do it by connecting your account from Fxchoice, which is this one, account number here, 136210 in this case. So this is my brother's account. I'm going to show you on this exam. So what you want to do, you want to open this, log into Fxchoice, go to the accounts and click on this account number. Then you can see here, this will be the unique number you will have to put in order to connect to the Myfxbook. As well, what you need to do is this set investor password. So we won't be changing the main password, which you got when you created this account or when you connected to the MAM account. All you need to do is set the investor password. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go to the Myfxbook. If you don't have an account here, create an account, log in, whatever you want to do if you already have an account. Okay, so when you log in, we go to portfolio and then we go to add account. So I'm going to click add account. So that is what you have to do as well. So you go there, you go to MetaTrader 4. And then the account name. So here is the name of your account. So you can just put PGR or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put my brother's name here so I know it's his. Okay, so broker is what we enter is FX space choice. And then we click on that broker. Okay, so we have Fxchoice Pro Live. That is the one we want to use. Account number is the number of your account number here. So I'm going to copy paste that and make sure when you copy paste that you don't have any spaces before this one, because it can have a space or something. It can look like this, but you need to delete the space in between. Okay, so the investor password is something that we need to set up now. So we go to the Fxchoice, we click here set investor password. So you don't change this password, you only change this one. So first we need to connect it in a way that we create our own investor password. Okay, and then later on I will show you what we have to do. So we go click set investor password. We need to use, as it says here, we need to use at least 6 characters long and can't be longer than 15 characters. It should contain only letters and numbers. Okay, so we can enter something here like even, for instance, first letter will be capital letter, Ivan 1 2 3, Ivan 1 2 3, for instance. Okay, Ivan 1 2, yeah, okay, 6. Okay, so we go to change. So I changed the investor password. So investor password is the password which you give to others if you want to show them your account, so they can log in with the investor password. The investor password can only be read-only, so the account is only read-only. Nobody can change anything or make changes. Okay, so I set the investor password and I go back to Myfxbook and I enter that password. Okay, so I said Ivan 1 2 3, create an account. So we wait until it connects to the account. Okay, it takes a little bit longer, so be patient when you're on this step. Crunching numbers. Okay, great. So your account was successfully processed. Next thing we want to go take me to my account. You've connected successfully, trading history is missing. Okay, whatever. If you get this message, sometimes I think that we need to redo the thing again, because let me see this. Yeah, let me go through this again quickly. I'm gonna delete. If you get this message, I'm gonna delete this one as well. So I'm gonna add account. I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna put PGR Ivan. Select broker is Fxchoice. Account number is here, 136210. Okay, investor password is Ivan 1 2 3. Create account. We're hopefully gonna be good this time. Sorry, I'm gonna disconnect the okay. it takes a while. So basically, first we create a password we want for the investment password, and then yeah, it will take me to my account. So let's see if it works now. Yeah, now it works. Okay, great. So we need to have this track record verified. Okay. So when we have this, next step is that we go again. So we go again to the add account, and then we edit this account. Okay. And then you see here is authorization password. So we need to change to this password on Fxchoice. So what we want to do is go to the Fxchoice, click set investor password again, paste this password we took from the Myfxbook and click change. Okay, we don't save this. Okay, so we go back to Myfxbook. So what we did, we copy this authorization password. We changed the password to the investor password to the on the Myfxchoice, and then we're going to then we are going to connect again this password to Myfxbook. Okay, so we go to update password. We paste again this same password we were given because we changed it on the Fxchoice. We click save, and the password is updated. Then we click connect, and shortly it should say, okay. Okay, so your account was successfully processed. So we go back to add account, to PGR Ivan, and we see here trading privileges verified. So that's why we needed to put the investor password that Myfxbook gave us. That's how they know that we are legit. Okay, so the account is legit, and that's basically it. So if you have any questions about this, I think all should go well. If you get an error or something, just repeat the steps again as I did. But basically that's it. Now you can leave it be like that. So you need to leave it to that password. So you're all set. You don't change this main password. You only change the investor password. Okay. Thanks for your time, and I hope this tutorial will help you.